Hello, how are you today? Hope you feeling good. My name is Ahmed Salama, Professor of Mathematics and Computer Science at Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, Faculty of Science, Port Said University, Egypt. And today we'll talk in my presentation about planning and sampling and Neutrosophic science techniques or Neutrosophic techniques here. Well, I hope you will like it since the world is full indeterminacy, since the world is full of indeterminacy, the Neutrosophic found their places into quantability. Into quantability research, Neutrosophic science means development and applications of Neutrosophic logic, Neutrosophic measure, Neutrosophic probability and their applications in any field. It is possible to define the Neutrosophic measure and consequently the Neutrosophic integral and Neutrosophic probability in many ways, because there are various types of indeterminate depending on the problems we need solve indeterminacy. Indeterminacy is different from randomized. Indeterminacy can be caused by physical space, material, and types of construction, by items involved in the space or by other factors. The planning and the sample lies in the data on the problem, and here the role of mathematics and statistics, and in the modern area introduced the Neutrosophic mathematical features and statistics. The theory of classical statistics assumes crisp, certain and clear observation parameters in technology applications. However, in such technology applications, due to their complex functions, it may not be possible to obtain clear or crisp values of certain parameters. So there is the chance of obtaining indeterminate, imprecise, vague, and incomplete parameters. Neutrosophic statistics can be applied, which is the generalization of classical statistics. This is reduced to classical statistics when no parameters are found to be indeterminate. Imprecise is vague or incomplete actual practice. From the problem to the knowledge to the decision. The following problems from mathematics: problems, data, information, knowledge, decision, and optimal decision. What is the Neutrosophic information system? Neutrosophic information system consists of certainty data and uncertainty data. Neutrosophic information system contains two types of data, certainty and uncertainty. What is the Neutrosophic? Neutrosophic system equation: A circle R equals B. What is the three variables? A A is the Neutrosophic inputs or Neutrosophic data. R is the Neutrosophic system. B is the Neutrosophic outputs, Neutrosophic information. The relation or the Neutrosophic system equation: A circle R equals B. Neutrosophic data processing. What is Neutrosophic data processing? Neutrosophic data processing and Neutrosophic information system. This is the Neutrosophic system, and the equation for A circle B equal circle A circle R equals B, where A is inputs, Neutrosophic inputs, or R is the system processing for data. B is the Neutrosophic information or Neutrosophic outputs. From Neutrosophic information to Neutrosophic knowledge, Neutrosophic decision. This implementation implementing Neutrosophic set operation using object-oriented programming. Neutrosophic data when processing the Neutrosophic data by MATLAB, SPSS, Excel, Maple. This Excel with Neutrosophic package. Neutrosophic package. For example, the programming, mathematics, statistics, GIS rules. The following examples for indeterminacy. Examples of indeterminacy. This, for examples. Example number 1. Example number 2 for geometry. What is the relation between Neutrosophic concepts and others? This the crisp logic or crisp initialistic logic, generalized initialistic logic, Neutrosophic crisp logic. Neutrosophic crisp logic as a generalization of all logic, of all three logics: crisp initialistic, and generalized initialistic logic. Neutrosophic logic generalization as a generalization of generalized fuzzy initialistic logic, initialistic fuzzy logic, and fuzzy logic. Crisp logic implies to fuzzy logic stronger than crisp logic. What is the types or what is the types of data? Neutrosophic set, Neutrosophic fuzzy, initialistic fuzzy set, generalized initialistic fuzzy set, generalized Neutrosophic set, and the Neutrosophic set. Initialistic from crisp set to initialistic crisp set. Neutrosophic crisp set as a generalization of initialistic crisp set. Neutrosophic crisp set from fuzzy as a generalization of all types of sets. What is the Neutrosophic technique? Neutrosophic technique consists of Neutrosophic logic, Neutrosophic set, Neutrosophic data, Neutrosophic mathematics, Neutrosophic computer, Neutrosophic statistics, Neutrosophic management, Neutrosophic business, and Neutrosophic decision. This is the Neutrosophic, the relation between Neutrosophic data for Neutrosophic data for information technology, Neutrosophic data computer science, mathematics, and statistics. Neutrosophic applications for database, fuzzy database, from database to fuzzy database to initialistic fuzzy database, Neutrosophic fuzzy database to Neutrosophic database. Neutrosophic database as a generalization for Neutrosophic fuzzy and crisp database. Neutrosophic image processing as a generalization for instantaneous fuzzy image processing and fuzzy image processing and instantaneous fuzzy image processing and crisp image processing. From GIS topology to GIS Neutrosophic topology. GIS Neutrosophic topology as a generalization for GIS instantaneous fuzzy topology, GIS fuzzy topology and crisp GIS fuzzy topology. From the Neutrosophic crisp set, the probability of Neutrosophic crisp sets lies between Neutrosophic crisp set and Neutrosophic fuzzy set. Neutrosophic fuzzy set and Neutrosophic crisp set, the probability for the Neutrosophic crisp sets implies to Neutrosophic set. There are many correlations for Neutrosophic data or Neutrosophic data set. For Neutrosophic data from fuzzy sets and Neutrosophic data from the Neutrosophic crisp set. Neutrosophic security data as a generalization for instantaneous fuzzy security data, fuzzy security, instantaneous fuzzy security data, fuzzy security data to security, crisp security data. Applications on GIS filters, ideals, GIS topology. Neutrosophic filters as a generalization for all types of filters. Neutrosophic ideals as a generalization for all types of ideals. GIS Neutrosophic topology as a generalization for all types of topology. Crisp topology, fuzz topology, instantaneous fuzz topology, generalized instantaneous fuzz topology. This implementing Neutrosophic set operations using object-oriented programming. Implementing Neutrosophic set operation using object-oriented programming. This figure a Neutrosophic chart. Neutrosophic package interface. Neutrosophic package interface. Neutrosophic package interface for the complement of the set or Neutrosophic set, the relation between two Neutrosophic crisp sets or Neutrosophic fuzzy sets and all operation. This is Neutrosophic package union chart. Neutrosophic, this is a figure, Neutrosophic package intersection chart. This is Neutrosophic security data. Thank you for your kind attentions. I hope you have liked the topic today.